Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to view Tubi in web browser. Guys, if you're a strict application user of Tubi and you have never used Tubi on a browser and you don't know how to view it, then this video is for you. The first step is to open any browser that you have. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap this. Just type in Tubi, then now. Just see the link over here. Just go ahead and tap on the first link, and there you go. Now you're on web browser Tubi TV. So if you want to see how a movie would look like, then I'm going to show you. Just going to select any of the movie and play it. Just wait for it to load, and there you go, guys. That's how you view Tubi TV in the web browser. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.